Here is a practice question for you to write equation of a parabola in standard form. Find the standard form equation of the parabola that goes through the points A 1033, B -61 and C 1897. Now to start with, let's write down the equation of parabola in standard form, which is y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Now in this equation we have three unknowns a, b and c. To get the value of these three unknowns we need 3 points. 3 points are given to us, and therefore we can definitely find equation of the parabola, a unique equation of the parabola to represent this situation. So let's get three equations from the given points. So first let's use point A, which is 1033, right? So we have a point 1033. So 1033 means that the x value is 10 and the y value is 33. So let's substitute. So we have 33 equals to x is 10, 10 squared is 100. So we get 100a plus 10b plus c. That gives us one equation. So we started with the standard equation. Let me call that to be 1, and this one is equation 2 for us. Now let's substitute the second point, which is point B, -6 and 1. With -6 and 1, y value is 1. So let me write 1 here for y. And -6 squared is 36, so we get 36a minus 6b plus c. And that is the third equation. Now let's substitute the third point, which is 1897. 1897 gives y value of 97. So we have 97 equals to 18 squared. 18 squared, let's use the calculator to find 18 squared. So 18 squared is equals to 324. So I'll write 324a plus 18b plus c, and that is our fourth equation. Now it's very important in this case, or in such equations, to carefully number all the equations so that we can communicate and do the needful. Now we'll use these equations to eliminate unknowns one by one till we get just one of them. And finding its value, we can substitute back and get all the variables. So that is a strategy. Now first thing is we can eliminate c. And to eliminate c, what we should do is we can do equation 2 minus equation 3. So let's do equation 2 minus equation 3. What do we get? So that means we are working with 33 minus 1, which is 32, equals to 100 minus 36a, that gives us 64a, 10 minus of minus 6, that means plus 16b, and c minus c is 0. Now this equation can be simplified. We can divide all these numbers by 16. 16 times 2 is 32, so we get 2. And 64 is twice 32, so we get 4a. 16 times 1 is 16, so we get this as b. Now that gives us another equation where we have eliminated c, and we'll give this number as 5. Now we can use these two equations, correct? And find another equation with just a and b. So we'll do this time 3 minus 4. That is to say, equation 3 minus equation 4. So these are the equation numbers. So when you do equation 3 minus equation 4, so 1 minus 97 will give us minus 96. Now 36 minus 324, let's use the calculator and find out the answer. That gives you 288. So we have negative 288a. And we have minus 6 minus 18, which is plus 24. Sorry, minus 24. Minus 6 minus 18 will give us minus 24. C minus c is 0. So that is what we get. It seems that these numbers are also divisible by, well, I forgot to write b. Let me write b here. by minus 24. So let me divide them by minus 24 and see what do we get. So 96 divided by minus 24 gives us what? 96 divided by 24 is number 4. So we get 4 equals to, now 288 divided by 24 is equal to 12. The 12a and 2 times 12a and minus b, right? 24 we are dividing with. So we get a simplified equation, which is equation number 6 for us. Now as you can see, equation 5 and 6 really have two variables, that is a and b only, right? Now if we add them, we can eliminate b and find the value of a. So that is what we are going to do now. So we'll add equation 5 and 6. So we do equation 5 plus equation 6. So when you add them, what do you get? 2 plus 4 is 6. We get 6 equals 2. 12 plus 4 is 16, 16a, and b minus b is 0. So we get 16, 6 equals to 16a, right? So from here we can find what a is. Well, we did a small mistake in equation 6. It was all minus, right? So when we divide by 24, we get plus b, right? So this is plus b for us. So to eliminate this, what we should do is, we should take away. So we do 5 take away 6. And now since we do 5 take away 6, what do we get? 5 take away 6 is 2 take away 4, which is minus 2. And 4 take away 12 is minus 8. And b take away b is 0. So from here we can get the value of a, and a is equals to 1 over 4. Right? So we get the value of a. Let me just make it a block so that we know this is the value of a for us. So the value of a is equation 7 for us. So that is how we can get value of a. Okay. Now let's move forward and find value of b and c. Now we know that a is 7. We can utilize one of our equations and find the value of b. So if we substitute 7, so let's write down 7. So substitute 7 in one of these equations. We can substitute it in 5 and find the value of b. So the equation is 2 equals to 4 times a is 1 over 4, plus b. So from here we have 2, 1 plus b, and b is equals to 1, right? So that is the value of b. So we can highlight this, and that is equation number 8 for us. So let's write down this as equation 8. Now we know b and a. To find c, we can substitute these values in our original equation. Equation number whichever, maybe equation number 2, right? So we'll substitute 7, 8, the values of a and b in equation 2. Equation 2 is 33 equals to 100 times a is 1/4, 100 times 1/4, plus 10 times b is 1 for us, plus c. So 33 equals to 1/4 of 100 is 25, plus 10, plus c. So it is 33 minus 35 equals to c, and we get, this implies that c is equals to minus 2. So that is the value of c for us. Now since we know a, b and c, all the unknowns, we can write down the equation. So for us now the equation is y equals to a is 1/4, 1 over 4 x squared, plus b is 1 for us, that means x minus 2. So that is our answer for this given question. So we can highlight this answer And that is how we can get quadratic equation representing these 3 points. I hope the steps are clear to you. So what we really do here is we start with the standard equation of parabola, which is y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. With these 3 points, we get 3 different equations with a, b, c unknown by systematic elimination. And then by substitution, we can find the values of a, b, and c. Once we find it out, then we can write down our equation. Well, these are the steps which help us to solve such questions. And I hope you understand these steps and it helps you to answer similar questions. Thank you.